इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स, पिछले क्लास में हमने तुम्हें बैलेंस डाइट के बारे में बताया था। तुम्हें किस तरह से खाना चाहिए, तुम्हारे खाने में क्या क्या होना चाहिए, हर तरह का न्यूट्रिएंट, प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स होना चाहिए, एक बैलेंस डाइट। व्हाट वाज योर बैलेंस डाइट? वी हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू for 12-year students what should be the balanced diet. I have given you the homework. Prepare a balanced diet for your grandparents or your father and write an answer. Now as per that, today I will teach you just a balanced diet हमारी सारी nutrients, vitamins और minerals की पूर्ति नहीं करता। कुकिंग भी उसमें एक मायने रखता है। हमने केवल बता दिया मीट इतना होना चाहिए, फिश इतना होना चाहिए, दाल इतनी होनी चाहिए। क्या वो दाल जली हुई है? क्या वो वेजिटेबल 4 बार बॉईल की हुई होगी? क्या वो वेजिटेबल कट होने के बाद धोया गया होगा? So there are a lot many things before you eat. The raw food can go for are going for process. Raw food को हम प्रोसेस करते हैं, चावल को पकाते हैं, आटे को गूंथते हैं, रोटी बनाते हैं, सब्जी बनाते हैं। इस बनाने के प्रोसेस में भी हैंडलिंग में बहुत सारे विटामिन हम लोग लूज कर देते हैं, बहुत सारे मिनरल्स लॉस हो जाता है, वाटर सॉल्युबल मिनरल्स लॉस होता है, विटामिन लॉस होता है। तो नाउ हाउ कैन वी सेव दिस? अभी तक जो हमने पढ़ा बैलेंस डाइट केवल इतना ही नहीं है, उसके बारे में और कुछ करना है। सुनो, लॉस ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट ड्यूरिंग कुकिंग। ईटिंग राइट काइंड ऑफ फूड इज नॉट एनफ but should be cooked properly so that nutrients are not lost. Taking a balanced diet itself is not enough. So cooking should be done in such a way that the nutrients are not lost. Point by point we will discuss. Number 1 point. If cooked in excess water. Now you have put up excess of water and then you have cooked. So what you will do in vegetable, excess water, you will throw it up. It means all minerals and vitamins are lost. When we throw the water, vitamins and minerals are lost. Vitamins and minerals are lost when you throw them. So again it is making your balanced diet unbalanced. Second, if cooked at high temperature, if cooking is done at high temperature, it means proteins and vitamins again burnt and lost. You cannot cook in hurry, just make a very high temperature. If like in hotel, fire is there, everything is burning. This cooking is not healthy at all. So cooking at high temperature, cooking should be always at slow temperature, slow heat. If you are burning it, proteins and vitamins are lost. Now if the vegetable is in which thick peels are removed, अगर ऐसे सब्जी जिसके मोटे स्किन होते हैं, कद्दू मोटा मोटा छील के हटा दो, जिसके मोटे स्किन होते हैं नाइफ से हटा दो। If the vegetable their thick skins are removed, thick peels are removed, loss of nutrients. Peels of the vegetable carries a lot of nutrients, so it is getting lost. So when you are, तुम सब्जी छीलते हो या उसके पिल निकालते हो, that should be very fine. It should not be okay, peel it and do that. No. So next point, the washing of some cut vegetable. If you are cut vegetable, यार पहले vegetable को काट लिया, किसी को आदत है और उसको खूब धोएंगे पानी, wash, they will say it is very clean. It is clean, everything is clean, nothing, no vitamin, no mineral. So it should not be washed after cutting of vegetable. Vegetable must be washed before cutting or before removing the peels. After cutting, after removing peels, no washing is required. If you are doing that, loss of water soluble vitamins and minerals. The cut vegetable carries the vitamin and minerals, that everything is washed away in that. Okay, now I will tell you the next. repeated washing of pulses and rice. Few people have got a habit of rice and dal. They will wash with 5 water. They will say I am washing with 6 water. Because rice will become more white, pulse will become more yellow. But it is only more white. Vitamin and minerals are lost. It should be washed not many times. It should be less 1 or 2 times. Washing is there. So loss of water soluble vitamins and minerals. If it is washed many times, loss of vitamin and minerals are there. Next, deficiency diseases. We will discuss a bit of that. Let me children, I am trying to show you one of the CBSE lecture. Let me show, just see that if whether I am able to show you or not. Nutrients, loss of nutrients during cooking. Yes, it is also a CBSE lecture. Try to see that. What they are doing it, just see. Loss of nutrients during cooking. Improper cooking results in the loss of nutrients. Overwashing of rice and pulses removes about 40% of vitamins and other minerals. Improper cooking, ऊपर का हटा दीजिए, नहीं पूरा क्लियर आ रहा है, ऐसा क्यों? Why it is not coming so clear?
Due to reflection of light.
Why? Correct it. If it is there, correct it. See that it is coming?
Just turn.
No, I have got some. Set it.
Yeah.
Let me see that. Are you able to read, children?
No.
Okay, now listen. Overwashing of rice pulses removes about 40% of vitamin B and minerals. Just check it. We will tell you the next points. If cut or peeled vegetable and fruits are washed, vitamin B and vitamin C get washed away. If cut or peeled vegetable washed, fruits are washed, the vitamin B and vitamin C get washed away. Overcooking of vegetable destroys many vitamins. Now, if meat and eggs are heated, if meat and eggs are heated for too long, above 70 degree centigrade, if meat and eggs are heated above 70 degree temperature and for more duration, proteins become hard and cannot be digested by the body. So protein become hard and cannot be digested by the body. Okay, students. Now, last, adding of washing soda, adding of baking soda while cooking destroys vitamin B and C. We are adding the baking soda in your house in the dal so that it will be cooked faster, vegetable it will be cooked faster. It means if you are adding it, it will lose the vitamin B and C. So children, now pay attention. So children, now pay attention for every part you see and take care of that. What is lost? So while handling with the vegetables for the food, we must be careful. If the cut vegetables or fruits are washed, the vitamin B and vitamin C also washed away along with that. Overcooking of vegetable destroys many vitamins. I have already discussed it. If meat and eggs are heated for long duration or above 70 degree temperature, you can think of that. The protein become harder, and it cannot be digested by the body. Adding of washing soda, generally in the cook in the bhoj or in the party or in the functions, we are eating the baking soda in the cooking. This is the खावर soda बोलते हैं. It destroys vitamin B and C. What is the deficiency disease? The disease which caused due to lack of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins in our diet are called deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases. Now children, we will discuss with the different types of deficiency diseases in coming class. By the time you write all the question answers. Thank you.